everyone, welcome back to Chemistry Easy for you. So today we are going to do DU and Pondicherry University MSc Chemistry entrance question. So I have collected questions, previous questions of both the exams together, and half of this will be from DU and half of this will be from Pondicherry University. I have combined these because both of you can study, the students, aspirants of both these exams can study along. That's why I have done both the videos, both the questions together. So that is the thing, and as you have requested, I'm going to do organic important name reactions very soon, before your exam itself. And if you have any more requests, please do ask in the comment section. Let me say that in the beginning itself. And you need any classes, please do ask that one as well, because don't ask in the last minute, it will be difficult for me to prepare it. If you say beforehand, I can try my level best to do that before your exam itself. Okay, so let's begin. So which one of the following is a superconductor? This is one of the very favorite question of the DU MSc Chemistry entrance exam questions. So you have to know different names of this particular superconductor. The answer is option D. It is known as yttrium, barium cope oxide, and it can also be written as YbCO, other name. So whenever you see the same question for superconductor, then you have to remember that YbCO is also the same thing as YbA2Cu3O7. Now the second question is, Victor-Mayer test is used for the confirmation of what? So the answer is option B, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. So what happens, the test is actually alcohol plus iodine in the presence of red phosphorus will get iodol alkane, and this one then treated with alcoholic silver nitrate, it would be giving nitroalkanes, and nitroalkane again when treated with NaNO2 and HCl will be getting some products, and that is the basis of Victor-Mayer test. So what would happen? Primary alcohol will be giving blood red color on this test. Secondary will be giving blue color, and tertiary will not give any color. So that is how we will be distinguishing the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol using Victor-Mayer test. The third question is, aniline can be distinguished from methyl amine by its reaction with. So actually the test is azodide test, and azodide test consists of two different steps, which is option B. First it will be undergoing reaction with NaNO2 and HCl, followed by alkaline beta naphthalate, and this would give us the differentiation. So we'll be getting a dye, colored dye, when it is treated with aniline. And in case of aliphatic amines, there would be brisk effervescence will be there. So that is how we will be distinguishing aniline and methylamine using the azodide test, or we can expand it as NaNO2 HCl and alkaline beta naphthalate. Now the next question is something that you have to keep in mind, that is you have to learn by heart. Zirconium, and we are having 6-methyl group 2-. This exists in which of the following shape? So it is example of trigonal prismatic geometry. This is not found too much, so you should remember this one very well. It can be asked again. So trigonal prismatic geometry, one of the major example is ZrCH3 6 times 2-. Now I'll go to the next question. Wilson's disease arises from. It is because of the excess of copper in body. This is very important because repeatedly questions about the toxicity, increased toxicity of major metals are usually asked. Like, so you have to study the poisoning of cadmium, and also we are having that is we have certain diseases that you have to remember in your mind. Term that you have to remember related to the cadmium poisoning would be It is very important because this caused death of a lot of people because of the cadmium poisoning, and so that's about Wilson's disease. The next question is find the increasing order of stability of the oxidation state of the elements. So this is the 14th group 14 elements, group 14, and in group 14 we have already discussed in one of the previous question that inert pair effect exists. Inert pair effect exists, and due to inert pair effect +2 oxidation state stability increases down the group, down, and +4 decreases down the group. So here we are having +4 oxidation state, and therefore it should decrease down the group, and therefore silicon should be having the most stable +4. Silicon, germanium, tin and lead it should be. So the increasing order would be just the opposite, that is option B, lead, tin, then germanium and silicon. That would be the order that is followed. The next question, for an ionic crystal of formula AX, the radius ratio lies in between 0.732 to 0.414. Its coordination number is, so up 0.155 less than 0.155, the coordination number would be 2. 0.115 to 0.225, it would be 3. 0.225 to 0.414, it would be 4. 0.414 to 0.732, it would be 6, and 0.732 to 1, it would be 8, and greater than 1, it would be 12. So please keep this in mind, and the answer would be option C and 6. That is option C, 6 would be the answer that we are looking for. This is also one of the favorite question because they can ask this at any time from solid state. So that's it. Now we'll go to the 8th question. At infinite dilution, the molar conductance of sodium acetate, hydrochloric acid and sodium chloride are given, and we have to find the molar conductance of acetic acid at that dilution. So here we would be making use of Colruy's law, and according to that, how can we write for sodium acetate, lambda 0 of sodium acetate? What is sodium acetate? CH3COO Na. It can be written as is equal to lambda 0 CH3COO minus plus lambda 0 Na plus. Then of hydrochloric acid it would be lambda 0 H plus plus lambda 0 equal to, okay, this is equal to lambda 0 Cl minus, and of sodium chloride would be NaCl, it would be equal to lambda 0 Na plus lambda 0 Cl minus. And what we have to find? We have to find the molar conductance of acetic acid. So of acetic acid we can be written as this is capital lambda, this lambda, okay, lambda 0. So lambda 0 CH3COOH can be written as is equal to lambda 0 CH3COONA plus lambda 0 HCl minus lambda 0 NaCl. You can see how, because when we are adding these two, we'll get CH3CO minus and H plus, which together makes up the CH3COH, and along with that we'll be having Na plus and Cl minus, and by subtracting lambda 0 NaCl we can remove that part, and that would give us the answer of lambda 0 CH3COH. Now let's substitute. So what would be our answer? It will be equal to 0.0091 plus 0.0426 minus 0.0126, or we can write it as 0.7, 9 plus 2, 11, 5, 0.0517 minus 0.0126, or we can write it as 7 minus 6, it will be 1, 11 it is 9, then 4, 3, 0.0391. So the answer would be option C, 0.039. That is the answer that we are looking for. So what is the law that we are using here? This is the Colruy's law. Colruy's law. Very important from electrochemistry part. Multiple questions always come from this part. Now we'll go to the 9th question. 9th question is another repeated question from the part of solid state. That is, we have to study the Bravais lattices. Bravais lattices, that table is very important, and I have already done a video of solid state and discussed the shortcut to remember the all those without much difficulty. You can remember using that shortcut. So what is the condition given here? Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, and A equal to B but not equal to C. You can see the dimensions are given. Do not confuse. They are just giving it to identify this condition. So it would be tetragonal. Identifying the condition, it is actually tetragonal. Very important. Now the 10th question is from the part of acid and base. So a solution with pH equal to 4 is more acidic than a solution of pH equal to 7 by a factor of. Very simple question, but you have to understand the basic idea behind. So how can we write pH? pH is equal to minus log of H plus. So or we can write as pH is equal to 4 means pH equal to 4 implies it is that means that minus log of 10 raised to minus 4. That can be written as minus 4 minus of minus 4 log 10, or it will be just equal to 4 log 10, which is equal to 4. So pH equal to 4 means the concentration of H plus would be 10 raised to minus 4. Similarly, if pH equal to 7 means then concentration of H plus is equal to 10 raised to minus 7. So by how much the factor, the acidity changes. So it is 10 raised to minus 4 by 10 raised to minus 7, or is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to 7, or equal to 10 cube. So the answer is option A, 1000 would be the answer that we are looking for. So the idea is to find pH is equal to minus log H plus, and definitely you can write it afterwards. It is very simple. Hope you understood. And how we get this one? That is log x raised to n can be written as n log x. So that is the idea behind writing this one like this. Okay, so that's all. I'll be uploading this combined question paper tomorrow also. I have already made them and I'll be uploading them soon. Don't worry, and prepare very well. Ask any doubts that you are having. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon for latest notification. Thank you so much and all the best to each one of you.